Sri Lanka unveiled a towering Christmas tree claiming to have surpassed the world record despite construction delay and shorter than planned finished product. The 73-meter artificial tree's capital Colombo is 18 meters taller than the current record holder. The death toll from an explosion at Mexico's largest firework market has risen to 36 after a woman with burns on 90% of her body died. The blast occurred in Mexico City, killing at least 26 at the scene and now a total of 10 at hospitals. A Soviet-designed three-engine airliner Tu-154 aircraft with 91 people aboard disappeared Sunday over the Black Sea shortly after takeoff from the resort town of Sochi on its way to a Russian base in Syria. Shimla on Sunday witnesses the season's first snowfall as tourists flocking to the holiday destination were welcomed by sleet that quickly morphed itself into snow. Uncounted cash to the tune of Rs 51.86 lakh, almost all of them Rs 2000 denomination, was on Sunday seized by Kerala excise officials from two passengers of a bus coming from Bengaluru at nearby Tirupati. Internationally acclaimed sand artist Sudarshan Patnaik on Sunday said that the creation of 1000 sand sculptures of Santa Claus by him and his student at Puri Sea Beach on the eve of Christmas has become a world record to the feature in Limca Book of Records. Congress MP Ashok Chavan has approached by the Bombay High Court challenging a decision of Maharashtra Governor C. Vidyasagar Rao granting Section 2 CBI to prosecute him in the Adarsh House Society scam. A 35-year-old man from Bhiwandi in Thane, who used his four-wheeler to ferry school children, was arrested for allegedly raping two minor girls for the last 6 months. Regional Transport Office in National Capital are set to go cashless from January when fees of all services including driving license, auto permit and fitness certificate can be paid electronically. Assam Assembly Speaker Ranjit Kumar Das will take charge as the president of the Assam unit of BJP in Guwahati on Sunday. Prior to that, he will submit his resignation as the Speaker of the Assembly.